Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought back to us because we was having a very weird intermittent issue. And that the tray was not detecting when it was inserted or not inserted. And that was creating a lot of problems with this machine. Sometimes it will not let you do anything when you insert the machine and empty the tray, the grounds container. So it was interfering with the operation of the machine. We had to replace the micro switch located right here in the machine. That micro switch that you see right there, that red wire behind this water pump, there is a micro switch that was getting wet by this leaking hose that you see right there, this one. And we had to replace the hose, we had to replace the feeding as well of the machine. This is the older one, and the switch should be, apologies, I dropped it. This is the older switch of the machine. So yeah, we replaced the switch, we replaced the hose as well as the feeding, and now we're gonna test it. We've been testing this machine for quite a lot already. We have a bunch of graphics inside, as well as we run a bunch of wires through the entire system to make sure that this hose was not leaking anymore. And you cannot probably see it, but it's no longer leaking. Any water or anything, I have a running system, nothing like that. And the system right now is having water coming out through the water tank, through here, through the pump, through the thermoblock, through the ceramic plant over there, as well as through some of these other fittings that we have here in the machine. However, for this machine, we're going to test it out as well. It's a different system. It reroutes on the top instead of going to the side, but there's still a lot of water going through the entire hoses. And as you can see, there's no leaks or anything. We got a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, and we just not leaking anywhere and not malfunctioning or anything like that. Gonna stop it right here, and yeah. So that's all we did. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.